Hello, today we're gonna dissect the shrimp. So let's talk about the shrimps. So shrimps are antonyms, and antonyms have jointed legs and some segments. They have some segments, as we can count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 segments and too many legs. They have swimming legs. They have legs that they can swim, as you can see right here. They help them swim, and by the tides, as you can see, if you do this, bend the shrimp and then put it back in, they move the legs at the same time to swim in the tides, water, anything. And they have walking legs right here. 5 pairs of walking legs. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, as you can see. And if we take a look without it, they have a sense of taste. They have a type of body. They have taste, touch, and sense of touch, sense of feelings, and stuff like that, etc., etc. Like from here, as you can see, as you can see. And then if we look from the gills, you'll see there are gills right here. They are gills, and the structure of the shrimp are translucent, and they flap their wings right here like as barrels. And as you can see, and if we cut this part, we will know where is tinsel. The tinsel, as you can see right here. Cut this part. As you can see, this is the gelatin-like tinsel, and it holds, lets it flap the tail. Sex determination. Shrimps use this, and female has this. As you can see right here, they have like a tiny little hole right here, as you can see. And males have like somewhere next to their leg, jointed legs or fins, like a sharp spike right here, or in this leg, in this jointed leg. I don't know where it is because I have a female shrimp. As you can see, there will be like a tiny little hole here, and they will put this here. And yes, that's all I learned. And they have this brain, as you can see. If we take out this, this is the red part is their stomach. They have their stomach right here, their brain, and their nerves. Their nerves are right here, as you can see. They're like green veins. That's the nerve. And they have like stick structure of eyes. As you can see, there's like sticks right here and right here to see everywhere. Like you see them behind them, they just move their eyes to see where they are looking at, and like that. And this part of the shrimp helps it to cut stab their prey or help them catch their prey easily. So they use their head part, and then they use their legs. Stretch it out for this part. They stretch it out and then use their legs to crunch their food, as you can see right here. And this part, you can see if we remove this, you'll see their dissection system right here in this head. Thank you for watching my video.